Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly pair your Jabra Speak 710 with your iPhone or iPad. So first of all, we have to power on our speaker by holding this power icon. As you can see, it's turned on, and right now just click and hold this Bluetooth button until indicator turns blue.
To connect Jabra Speak,
as you can see, there it is.
go to the Bluetooth menu on your mobile device and select it from the list.
Right now we have to open the settings. On our iOS device, go to the Bluetooth, then simply turn it on and select Jabra Speak 710 from available devices list.
Smartphone connected.
And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.